practice faster. The Practice Growth Engine is a membership site focused on the impact systems that impact your profitability. Better systems mean more profit. If you always do what you've done, you'll get what you've got. In dentistry, it's a clear system. Your ability to attract new patients, your team's ability to communicate and bond, your diagnostic ability and the case acceptance you get, plus the skill you deliver the treatment with, and how well you can keep the customers is your practice success. There's only 3 ways to grow a business: get more customers, increase the amount they spend, increase the number of times they come back. You already have systems, but your current systems determine your current practice performance, and we can optimize any system. In dentistry, we've seen the system. So to increase the number of customers you have, you need to work on your new patient attraction ability, your team's relationship and communication ability. These are the 2 investments you're making, your marketing and your team. To increase the average transaction size, you need to improve your diagnostic ability, your case acceptance and your clinical competence, your team's relationship and communication ability. Your business investments are your marketing, your team and your equipment. To increase the frequency of purchase, you want to increase your team's relationship and communication ability and your patient retention. Your business investments, again, your marketing and your team. So to grow predictably in the next year, we need to use the power of compounding on the systems that affect the 3 drivers: increasing the number of customers, the transaction size, and the frequency of purchase. So do a calculation. How many new customers did you see this year? What was the average customer spend? How many patients from last year did you keep that came back this year? And how many times? The numbers. Okay, so let's say we had 20 new patients a month for 12 months. On average, 240 new patients. Get the average transaction size. We look at total sales, 180,000 divided by 240 patients, £750 average transaction size. Look at the frequency of purchase. So the total amount they spend with you over the length of time they come to see you. So for example, let's just say it's their first year in practice, 240 customers times £65, it's £15,600. Okay, so total income, £195,600. Now let's say we improved that. If we could increase the numbers by 10%, what's the impact? So now instead of 20 new patients, we have 22 new patients. That's 264 new patients for the year. For the average transaction size, let's just say it's £850 now due to better case acceptance and premium options that you introduced, which gives you a total revenue of £224,400, which is a 13% improvement. And let's say we can increase 1 hygiene visit per year. We can turn it into 1.5 visits per year as an average figure. So therefore we can get £25,740 in hygiene sales, plus we can keep 75% of last year's customers and again increase the number of times that they come. So the total income is £267,290. That's a huge increase. But what if you went one step better? What if you got 25 new patients a month? So that's 20% improvement. So that's 300 in total. But you boosted the average transaction size due to attracting more implant and braces patients instead of just hygiene patients. That gives 300 times 1250, £375,000 increase. I mean, that's a 66% improvement. The hygiene we keep the same, and we can see the total income is £421,800. That's a huge increase. So in the Practice Growth Engine membership, we focus on the 10 system drivers to increase all 3 of these drivers. We increase the number of customers by looking at our Module 1, which is positioning, teaching you how to attract high-value customers. Promotion and publicity, number 2, we teach you how to attract those customers using systems which will work all the time. Module 3, we look at multi-channel interactive marketing to get you higher return investment from your marketing and make sure you've really got a strong system to grow further. And Module 4, we look at phone handling and tracking per source, so we make sure that we get the customers to come in and see you. Then we increase the average transaction value. So we're looking at Module 1, positioning. We're looking at premium options and how we can create an experience which will justify higher spends. We look at Module 5, loyal customer creation, making sure that people feel valued and appreciated, and at the same time they have a fantastic experience which makes them want to buy more from you. Look at Module 6, looking at thorough clinical assessment and co-discovery, having a very simple, clear system where people can feel unpressured and open to accept the best possible care for them, making more comprehensive dental assessment and more comprehensive acceptance. Look at Module 7, make it easy to say yes and guarantees. Make it easy for people to say yes to the treatment they want and to be able to afford it and pay and start as soon as possible. Then we look at increasing the frequency of purchase. In Module 8, we look at clinical delivery system and patient comfort, making sure they want to come back because they had a great time. Module 9, look at quality control feedback and after-sales service. We want to make sure that people come back and stay with you as a long-term customer. So you need to make sure that every single thing is checked and they have a great experience even after they've come. And look at Module 10, internal customer communication. You want to increase the relationship you have with them and the referrals that you get so that they keep coming back and keep sending more people. So you can grow your practice and increase your profits. So the Practice Growth Engine is the highest level metrics-driven dental practice growth portal. It's all about numbers. If you want to grow your practice significantly by doing more high-value procedures such as implants, braces, Botox and dentures in the next year, we've got actionable training that works. Every month there's an in-depth focus on one of the 10 practice growth drivers and a training to help you implement this fast. There are worksheets, in-depth training modules and practice growth materials all designed to help you grow your practice. There are 3 levels of membership. We have a beginner's membership. This is for new members that just want to get a taste and feel and understand a little bit more about what we can do for you. There are free trainings, worksheets and articles to help you grow your practice. Then we've got the insider membership. They're going to get full access. They get full access to the trainings on the 10 impact areas of the practice. They receive the training and tools to grow their practice along with member-only webinars and savings on our practice growth services where we do this for you. And then we've got the Elite membership. The Elite membership gets all the insider trainings plus exclusive in-depth closed trainings on the key impact areas. This means they get a deeper understanding and faster implementations for serious practice owners that want to grow significantly in the next 12 months. It also includes support from Practice Growth Engineer to help you implement all the growth tools into your business fast. It's all about implementation. It's not good having an idea. It's about doing it. To get your free membership, go to clickconvertsell.customerhub.net/register.